Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Since I have uploaded almost all the study material which is in your syllabus, we have discussed the cell and its components in the month of March when the schools were opened. But I think this part, cell organelle centrioles, I need it to discuss again with you. So let us start with the cell organelle centrioles. Dear students, centrioles, you know, these are the structures which are of importance during cell division. They also give rise to cilia and flagella, which are locomotory organs mostly. Now, let us discuss first of all what the centrioles are. These are membraneless, hollow microcylinders which are open at both ends and are present near the nucleus. These are present near the nucleus of the cell and are surrounded by less stanned cytoplasm, right? These are present in pairs and are collectively known as diplosomes. Once again, let me tell you, the centrioles are present in pairs. Then we take them as single, then we call them as centrioles. When they are taken collectively, we call them as diplosomes, right? So diplosomes are in fact the centrioles, but when we consider them collectively, right? And the cytoplasm, part of cytoplasm which is surrounding these centrioles. You can imagine cytoplasm surrounds all the cellular organelles, because all the cellular organelles, be these endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, all are present in the cytoplasm, right? That is, cytoplasm surrounds all these cellular organelles. But the cytoplasm, part of cytoplasm which surrounds this the diplosomes, right? That is called as centrosphere. Then cytoplasm, yes, it is centrosphere. So centrosphere is the part of cytoplasm which is surrounding these diplosomes. And now the diplosomes and the centrosphere together form centrosomes. And centrosomes, you know, are the organelles which are present in only animal cells. These are absent in these plant cells, right? Now, the scientists who discovered the centrioles is known as Boveri. So Boveri has discovered the cytoplasm, and this not cytoplasm, I'm sorry, it is centrioles, right? Centrioles, you know, are present in prokaryotic cells. These are absent in prokaryotic cells, right, and present in eukaryotic cells. But there is exception. Once again, let me repeat, centrioles are present in eukaryotic cells but are absent in prokaryotic cells. But there is exception. Exception means that these are present in eukaryotic cells, not in prokaryotic cells. But exception is that major mammalian cells and RBCs, they contain these what we call, they're absent in mammalian RBCs, right? Major RBCs. Now, the centrioles, which these are made up of a special protein which is called as tubulin protein, and they contain an enzyme which is called as ATPase enzyme, needed for ATP, right? When we see the ultrastructure of centrioles seen under electron microscope, there are three main structures which we find, right? One is microcylinders, second is triplet fibers, and third is hub, which is present in the center. Let us now discuss one by one. First, microcylinders. These form the periphery of these centrioles. This one, you can see these triplet fibers, right? And second is triplet fibers. These triplet fibers, each triplet fiber, if you can see here, is made up of 3 microtubules, 1 2 3, and we are naming it as A, B and C, right? A, B and C. And then there is the central part, which is called as hub, right? Now let us discuss these triplet fibers. These triplet fibers, these are made up of 3 microtubules, 1 2 and 3, right? We name them as A, B and C, right? A microtubule of each triplet fiber is connected with the C microfiber of the adjacent triplet, right? Through that, this is called as AC linker. I have written it here, AC linker. Yes, it is connecting the A microtubule of one triplet fiber with the C in this microtubule of the adjacent triplet fiber, right? So each this microtubule is made up of 13 proto filaments. 13 proto. I have seen it here. You can watch this. You can observe the diagram. And in A there are 13 these proto filaments. In B there are 10, and in C there are 10. Right? I'll repeat. There are the triplet fibers which are present at the periphery of the centrioles, right? Each triplet fiber has 3 microtubules, A, B, C, right? And the A microtubule of each triplet fiber is linked with C, this microtubule of the adjacent triplet fiber, through AC linker, right? Now each of these 3, A, B, C, these are made up of protofilaments. A microtubule is made up of 13 protofilaments, B is made up of 10, and C is again made up of 10 protofilaments, right? So then comes the hub. The hub is present in center, right? It gives rise to 9 spokes. Here I'll show it. These are spokes. These red lines. These are spokes. So when you observe this diagram, you will see that 9 spokes arise from this hub, right? Which bind, and these hubs, they bind with A microtubule with A subunit of each triplet. A, you can see it. This is connected with A here. But through this body, this red dot which I have shown here, the red dot, it is called as X body, right? Between 2 X bodies there are present a Y body again, right? Then these triplet fibers or microtubular triplets are present on periphery only. Yes, you can see it. These are present, these microtubules are present on periphery only, but there is no microtubule present in the center, and this arrangement is called as 9 plus 0 arrangement. What is it called? 9 plus 0. Why? See, these are present only at the periphery, at the surface, none in the center. So center is without these microtubules, right, triplet fibers, but periphery पे है ये 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 और 9. That is why we call this arrangement as 9 plus 0 arrangement. 9 plus 0 arrangement. Now इसकी functions जो हैं, functions हैं इट गिव्स राइज टू सीलिया एंड फ्लैजिला, ठीक है ना, जो लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन्स होते हैं। और दूसरा पॉइंट है हेल्प्स इन सेल डिवीजन एज दे फॉर्म स्पिंडल apparatus which separates chromosomes। ये आपको याद होगा, हमने माइटोसिस और मियोसिस में वो पढ़ा है ना कि वहाँ पे जो है सेंट्रियोल्स जो है दे मूव टुवर्ड्स द पोल्स ऑफ द सेल एंड उनसे जो है एराइज होते हैं वो फाइबर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, ठीक है ना, जिनको हम स्पिंडल कहते हैं, विच होल्ड द क्रोमेटिड्स, राइट। और फिर जब वो स्ट्रेच होते हैं यू नो दैट कि फिर जो है क्रोमेटिड्स को ये सेपरेट करते हैं, राइट, जिसकी वजह से जो है क्रोमोसोम नंबर जो है वो डबल हो जाता है, राइट। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट centrioles. I hope you will have understood it. In case you feel any problem, you can contact me. If any of the students has not downloaded the study material, he or she can contact me on my own number or in the group, yes, and I will upload that study material again. Still then, I have, as per your syllabus, almost uploaded all the study material, right. I am again repeating, if any of our dear students has not downloaded the study material from our this WhatsApp group, she can without any hindrance contact me, right, and I will again upload that material. Otherwise I think it is needless to upload it, or rather it is useless. Fi amanillah, take care. Assalamu alaikum.